In this tutorial, we'll show you how to buy Bitcoin with a credit card on the Xcalibra crypto exchange, and then how to use that Bitcoin to buy Safex tokens and move them into your Safex wallet. You'll need the latest Safex TWM wallet installed on your PC in order to stake your tokens for passive income returns. After the release of TWM Wallet v2 in the near future, you'll also be able to use your Safex tokens to create a merchant account and start listing products for sale on Safex Market. Let's begin. In your web browser, go to Xcalibra.com. Log in with your email and password, then click the Buy with Card button. In the top right box, you'll see a field where you can enter the amount you want to pay. The default is US dollars, which we're using for this example, but feel free to click the drop down and see what other national currencies are available. So we enter $200 and click the Continue button. A payment screen appears allowing you to select a payment method. We'll be using a credit card, so we click the Continue button. You then enter your credit card details, tick the check boxes as appropriate, and then click the Next button. On the next page, fill in your billing address and personal details. Click the Pay Now button to continue. The next screen to appear allows you to pay in your local currency, if available, or the original currency you selected. Make the selection and click Continue. At this point, your bank may have their own verification requirements, and a screen will display for the verification process. Your payment will then get authorised and approved, and you'll receive a confirmation email from Simplex. Back on the web page, click the Return to Xcalibra button, and you'll get a Payment Submitted pop-up window. Closing the window takes you to a Card Payments Report window, showing you a history of your card purchases on Xcalibra. Now we wait for the Bitcoin to be sent by Simplex to our Xcalibra account. You'll get several emails updating you on the progress of your Bitcoin purchase. Click on the Balances screen, then click the Deposit button in the Bitcoin section of the screen, and once the Bitcoin transaction is processed on the blockchain, you'll see the deposit appear in the Deposit History table. The status column shows the confirmations for the pending Bitcoin deposit. After 3 confirmations, the deposit is completed and the Bitcoin will appear in your available balance. Whilst Bitcoin works to a 10-minute average block time, there is natural variance in the amount of time taken for blocks to be found. You can now click on the Safex Token Bitcoin pairing and commence your token purchase. At the time of this recording, the current order book has over 3 million tokens offered for sale at 9 satoshis, or sats, and there are pre-existing buy orders at 7 sats. If I buy from the sell book, I'll get about 52,000 tokens, and if I add my order to the 7 sat buy list, I'll get about 67,000 tokens. But I'll have to wait until the current orders, which total over 700,000 tokens, get filled. The alternative is to place a buy order between the 2 current offers at 8 sats. Here, I would be able to place an order for about 59,000 tokens, and we hope someone sells into our buy order. If we get impatient, we can always cancel the order and simply buy from the sell book. So I set the buy order to 8 sats, click the Max button, and then click the Buy button for 59,225 tokens. A pop-up window appears, which I check is accurate, and then click the Confirm button. The transaction doesn't get processed immediately, as we didn't simply buy an existing sell offer. You'll see a new order appear on the buy side to reflect my order at the 8 sat price, and it also shows up in the My Orders list on the far right hand side of the screen. Now we wait and hope someone sells their tokens into our buy order. We'll come back later and check if our order has been filled. I need to point out here, there's no guarantee our buy order will get filled. In setting a buy order below the current sell offers, we're hoping someone decides to sell down to that price. If the price moves up, our low buy order will just sit there unfilled, unless the price moves back down. This all depends on the buy and sell pressure of any coin, which fluctuates at all times. We come back and check a while later, and our buy order has been filled. Of interest, at the time our 8 sat order got filled, there were no longer any tokens for sale at 9 sats, and the cheapest available tokens for sale were then at 10 sats. If you want to get yourself a parcel of coins quickly, then buying from the sell book is the only way to guarantee a trade. I now want to withdraw my purchase tokens so I can stake them in the Safex TWM wallet and start earning passive income from all the goods and services purchased on the Safex blockchain. I click on Balances, then on the Withdraw button in the Token section of the screen. Over in my TWM wallet, I click on the Copy Address button, then back on the Xcalibra withdrawal page, I paste my Safex address into the appropriate field. I then enter the amount of tokens I want to withdraw and click the withdrawal button. The withdrawal history then populates with the request, with an unconfirmed status, and a confirmation email is sent. For added security, I have the email address on a separate device. When that confirmation email arrives, I click the confirm withdrawal link in the email and the withdrawal is confirmed. You can see the withdrawal status change to pending once I've completed the email confirmation. It will then change from pending to processing. A short time later, the withdrawal is showing as completed. I then go to my TWM wallet and check the history and see my tokens have arrived. I can now stake my tokens by clicking on the Tokens tab. But that completes this tutorial on buying Safex tokens on Xcalibra exchange. Check out the separate staking tokens video to see how to stake your tokens in the TWM wallet. Thank you and happy shopping on Safex Market.